Well, here's day 3 and part 3. This is on Friday. They started earlier this week. They've only worked actually 3 days on it. And they took the pool up over the house and set them the crane this morning. We've got it started to fill up. They backfilled around it, got all the plumbing done, it looks like today, and they started putting water in it. They told us to let it run until it gets to that pink line right down there. Again, this is a 16 by 35 Thursday Aspen pool. They've got the skimmer on the other end. We're gonna have 3 lights in this pool, one on each end and then one on this side, so they're not facing toward the house. We're supposed to have 2 deck jets on the other side where those, I'm assuming, where those 2 white poles or PVC pipes are sticking up. But again, you can kind of see what they've done. Just gonna walk you around, let you see the whole thing as the install go. They've already turned over, or not turned over, but filled in the trench over here to the plumbing where all the equipment's going to go. You can see that right over there. Again, we tried to hide that away from the pool where you wouldn't see it every day. And then, again, there's where the skimmer is. We're on the deep end now. These guys just do a really, really good job. I've been very pleased with them. They did a vinyl liner pool for us years ago, and it was equally as good. But we're excited about this one, ready to get it going. But again, they had to go all the way over the garage end of that house to put it in here. And as you can see right over here is where the pavilion's going to be. So I'm really excited about that part. I have a ceiling fan while the kids swim. That's gonna be nice. Hope to get a couple of grills under it and that kind of thing. But as we keep going around, I'm interested to see, we got 2 hoses running this. I'm interested to see how long it's going to take to fill up. I think it's a little bigger than we thought it was, but I like it. I'm interested to see what the color looks like once we get the water and all balanced. But that's it. That's where we're at after day 3. Wish us luck. We'll have concrete hopefully by sometime next week. This is part 3 of the video. Make sure you click like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. We'd love your opinions, love your ideas, what we could do. Maybe give us some ideas on some patio furniture, some good loungers for this ledge up here on the front. Anything that you can suggest. We're putting a couple of umbrella holders in this area that's going to be concrete. We're going to have 12 feet of concrete right over here. Putting a couple of umbrella holders in the concrete there. Let me know your thoughts. What would you build the pavilion out of? You know, what size post would you use? What size lumber would you use? What kind of roof? Anything that you can suggest, I would love to hear. Again, I'm not a pool installer, I'm not a carpenter, but I'm fixing to build this pavilion. So that's gonna be the next project. This is part 3. You can go back, if you've subscribed to our channel or you search it, you can go back and see the first 2 parts and see where we've come from to get to this point. It's been a really fun process. Again, the guys have just been amazing that are putting this pool in. We really appreciate everything they've done. And we're hoping to get to where we can swim in just another week or so probably. Come back and see us for the next parts.